Hey, today we're talking about the Surface Laptop 3. This is the brand new Surface Laptop. It comes in a variety of different colors and sizes. We're looking at the 13-inch variant, but it also comes in 15-inch. And this beautiful thing right here is the machined aluminum sandstone color. Look how nice that is. What I love about the Surface Laptop is that there are no visual indications into how this thing was built. There are no seams, no screw holes, no grills. Everything about this is easy on the eyes. And so when we talk about performance, the Surface Laptop 3 has built-in 10th generation Intel processors in there, as well as USB-C for all your connectivity needs. And brand new for this year, Surface Laptop 3 has fast charge. So that means that even though it's got great all-day battery life, you can take this, charge it, and you can get 80% of your battery in less than an hour, which is really great. One of the brand new features of Surface Laptop is Instant On technology. There you go. Look how fast that was. Is your computer at home that fast? I didn't think so. So if you're looking for a sleek, stylish laptop, look no further than the Surface Laptop 3. And for more information, look down below at all those details.